Okay, men. So, first impression ng Gardein Perfumery Persian Sunset, men. Sobrang excited na rin ako dito, men. Kung nakita nyo lang kung anong notes na ito, men. You would be excited as well, men. Guys, di na ako makakagantay, men. Spray ko na. Okay, hindi pa siya may spray. Okay, not pressurized, but that's fine. Para siyang shampoo. Smells good. Para siyang shampoo, men. Para siyang herba pura na mas creamy. Para siyang herba pura mixed with good girl, men. Ang bango. Men, I would love this on my partner. Men, ang bango, men. This is a very versatile fragrance. It has that bright, slightly citrus scent from the mango. Then it has that creamy vanilla. Men, ang bango na ito. Smells like shampoo, men. Like a luxury shampoo. Wow. Men, kailangan natin pasigatin si Gardein Perfumery, men. This feels like a niche fragrance. To be honest, it feels like a niche fragrance. Wow, I love this one, man. It has that Leo Papier dry down scent. This is so good. What the fuck is this? You have to try this out. You have to try this out, man. You have to try this out.